Hey guys. Okay, so I don't always, but I vlog a lot of times, but I never upload them because I end up feeling like they're boring or whatever. And me and Vera came out this morning because we're gonna run by our consignment shop. I'm gonna take some stuff, and I had time to kill, so we decided to come there. You can see where we are. And I thought there's a few things that I want to look at. Literally the only thing I need is garbage bags, so that may be the only thing I come out of the store with. But I thought if I tried anything on or shopped or saw anything, I might show you, and we'll just see. Today is Thursday. It's one of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sales, and I'm not going to do a recommendation list, and I doubt I'll do a haul because it will be over, but I did order my Skin Iceland eye gels yesterday, so I thought I would share that. And then tomorrow I am going to order the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. And then as far as the hot buys, the Dose of Colors lip glosses in Can You Not has been on my wish list, but I don't know if I want it. Vera? She's kicking my seat. Can you smile? She's mad at me because her top buckle there, I buckled it. Hey, don't kick it. Don't kick it. Don't kick the TV. What else was I gonna say? It is so dreary here. We're getting the after effects of Nate, which I'm so thankful that it ended up not being bad. Well, luckily it ended up not being a big deal, but that was, I don't know, that was a big worry of mine, so I've been kind of stressed. So anyways, we're sitting in the parking lot. People are starting to walk around. We're gonna go in Target and see what we can find. Okay guys, hold on, let me turn that down. Vera's watching Busy Town. Okay, so last time I talked to you was like 10 minutes ago. We went into Target and Vera was like, I want a treat. And I was like, okay, well, if you're good. We went to the dollar bins and she found these Vampirina stickers and some Jurassic Park Band-Aids. She loves dinosaurs. She had this little, well, it was like a healing cut on her leg. So she wanted to wear the Band-Aid. And I was like, well, I'm going to put it on you. Holy terror. You would have thought that I was cutting off her limb. She proceeded to like scream, growl. Terrible twos. Moms that have toddlers or had toddlers, you feel me? Woo, it was terrible. And goodness, that could get into a whole other discussion that I'm just not going to touch. So we kind of strolled through the clothes a little bit, and oh, sorry y'all, I was holding it like that. I found this mustardy color, like military style utility jacket. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. It was soft. It was adorable. I took a little clip of it on the hanger. I couldn't get a clip of it on me that I'm going to insert here. Okay, and so you heard Vera, so you can see what I was working with. Oh my goodness. But it was $39.99, which is not bad, but I'm waiting on a possible cartwheel because Target used to have so many more on their clothes. And there was also a shirt I got in the clip, which you can't really tell, but it has like a drop shoulder V-neck. It was so cute. There was an olive one, that kind of cream with the striped, I love. So cartwheel, I'll go back for those. But also while I was in there, we were strolling my Target haul. You want to see it? It's like so exciting. Trash bags and the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider dish soap. Very excited. We're strolling down the aisle, and you know, you kind of look behind you as you're going, and there was this lady I watch on YouTube. She lives in well, she lives in Jackson. She has a larger Instagram presence, and that's where I found her. And then she started making YouTube videos. Her channel name, I think, is called More Than Just Skin. I'll link her down below. And I was like, I did a double take, and I was like, what do I say? And then I turned around and I told her I watch her, and she was stunning in person. I mean, she's pretty on camera, but I was just like, wow, she is so beautiful in person. So she doesn't know I make videos or anything, but I just that's the only time I've ever met somebody in person that makes YouTube videos. She was real nice and stuff, but I thought it was neat. So anyways, I'll link her channel below. So of course, you know, after we're doing that, Vera gets in a good mood. So no trying on, no seeing anything fun, but that mustard jacket, if you are into that kind of color, it's a must. Oh, and for size reference, I think I'm probably a standard medium top, and I usually buy a medium jacket because I don't want a jacket to be too tight, but I tried on the small and I still had some room. You know, I should have tried on the extra small. Definitely go down a size. Even if you like stuff large, especially if you like stuff to have extra room, go down a full size if you decide to check it out. So anyways, I'll be back with you later. No. Okay, Vera's eating some lunch. I'm waiting on my quinoa to cook, and I thought I would just hop on here and talk to you. I uploaded my Get Ready With Me last night where I was talking about just life and more stuff like that. And I just want to say thank you for all of your sweet comments. No, I'm talking to people on YouTube. They're not in the phone. You can't see them. Do you want to come say hey? Come here. And I mean, you were just all so nice. The stuff you say to me.
Mommy,
come here. Come here. Get over here.
It's your animal.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Where are they? She has a ketchup face. Say hey. Look at that little circle right there. Okay. Go sit down and eat, okay? Go sit down and eat. She's eating some leftover roasted potatoes, and I made this recipe the other night.
I want super potatoes.
Soup potatoes?
No super potatoes.
Okay. I made this recipe the other night. It was a jambalaya, like a sausage and shrimp one. And for the sausage, you use the chicken apple sausage. That is my favorite sausage to eat. So it kind of gives it like the sweet, savory taste. And I'm cooking some quinoa right now. I'm going to just put the leftovers on top of that and see how it turns out. But I'm really excited for that. Where was I at? Oh yeah, y'all are so sweet. I mean, I feel like, I don't know, lately my subscribers are just so nice, just telling me how pretty I am or how good my skin looks, or, you know, saying, want to know how long of an ad to watch. I don't know. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. That means so much. And I also wanted to say that I don't do YouTube to provide for my family. I do it because it's fun, but it's nice to turn that into an extra treat. I feel like that thought came across, but I wanted to add that too so you would know. So that's all. I just want to say that, and thank you for, gosh, it amazes me sometimes because so many times the world can just be like, people are harsh and cruel, and then, you know, people that are pretty much complete strangers to me can be so kind and nice. And I'm so glad you enjoy hearing me talk, because I enjoy doing this. And that's all. What are you eating?
I'm just food.
Yeah, but what did you say you wanted to eat in mine?
Potatoes.
Not potatoes, but
Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
not potatoes, but tomatoes.
No, tomatoes.
How precious is that?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Okay, blow kiss. Blow kiss. Blow kiss. I realized I never forgot to, I forgot to end the vlog, and I thought I would just say goodbye and leave you with a few little clips. Me and my husband went to see Alabama last night, which was a lot of fun, but it's left me feeling so tired today. Like, it was a long night. It was, I guess I don't stay out that late. Anyways, I did record a few clips of their songs, so I'll insert just a few at the end. That way, if you don't like it, you don't have to watch, but if you do, enjoy. I'm in a hurry to get things done. Rushing till I'm no fun. All I really gotta do is live and die, but I'm in a hurry and don't know why.
best I have to give to God.